Ladies and gentlemen, do you think technology is very useful for communicate? Hello.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning, judges.
How are you today?
I'm doing great.
Alright, you can see you are fully confident.
Yes.
Can you introduce yourself to our audience?
Yes, my name is Taichan Monica. I'm a part-time student, study at level SAA with teacher Sinakong from the Rotterdam campus. And I'll pick up a topic that I'm going to present you today is how technology is changing our life.
Alright, so I hope after listening to your topic, I will learn to use technology.
Yes.
Alright, thanks. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Go ahead.
Yes. A warm welcome to everyone gathered here today. I am here to deliver a speech on technology, which has taken a tremendous role in our day-to-day life. We all are in generation which everything is dependent on technology. Let's understand what technology is through the lens of science. Before going deep to the topic, I would like to pay my higher respect to Dr. Nyetinat, the school director of the CAMFIRST School, honorable judges, management team, teachers, parents, contestants, and all of the audience who are present here today. A very good morning. My name is Taichan Monica. I'm a part-time student, study at level SAA with teacher Sinakong from the Rotterdam campus. And it's truly a privilege for me to be here to present you in a topic that goes by the word, how technology is changing our life. Technology has come a long way by changing the world of work. Modern technology has a great impact on human life. It changed the perspective of the people. It shaped human life. I have 4 main points to present today. Before going through the main point, we should know the keywords on the topic first. According to Oxford Dictionary, technology is a science or knowledge put into practical use to solve problems or invent useful tools. So, the topic meaning is how science or knowledge that put into practical use to solve problems or invent useful device is changing our life. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll pick up a question. The question is, how technology changing the society? The main purpose of technology is to make human working easy and effective. There are a lot of benefits of modern technology. The first point is medical. As we know, in the past, medical has a very little of equipment. Medicine and diagnostic can be difficult sometimes. Before, medical didn't have the sensors that can scan and analyze the patient's body conditions, and it's hard to diagnostic for the patients. In the 19th century, medical has more modern machineries that can scan and analyze the patient's body conditions, and it's more easily to diagnostic for the patients. Some modern technology like smart bracelets and smartphone, because of technology, we can wear smart bracelets to take our habit. And smartphone, we can download health app to help you to know the symptom of illness or the method to cure it by ourselves. For the smartphone, we can use it to make appointment with a doctor or discuss our health problem on phones. It means that we can save our time and our money. So, technology is very important in medical nowadays. Let's move to the second point. But before go to the second point, I have a question. Ladies and gentlemen, do you think technology is very useful for communicate? In the past, if you miss our family members or best friend, we need to go to meet them or send them the letter. But in this way, we spend a lot of time on our traveling and waiting for their replying. The other method of communicate were call painting, carrier pigeon, telegraph, face-to-face, or send a letter. But in this way, our communicating was slow and could have problems. Now, with the help of the modern technology, we can talk to them earlier and faster. We can use smartphone, tablet, computer to take a message, send your voice, or make a video call to them. In this way, your communicating is more convenient and it seems everyone is around you. The third point is mechanical engineering agriculture. In agriculture, before the advancement, technology farming was very difficult for the people. They were struggling a lot in farming. Farming and farm machinery has evolved greatly over the years. Before the evolution of mechanized equipment was done through use of the plow, axe, and hoe, there was also a cow plow before tractor invented, and the cow plow for more efficient and more reliable usage in the past. Now, the mechanical of agriculture has grown rapidly with new inventions that led to the robotic doing the work instead of farmers. The modern machinery that are being used nowadays are combined harvester, tractor trailer, water blower, and reaper machines. There are so many technological machines and devices are used by farmers in farming, and it just becomes easy for farming. The last point is transportation. Transportation has a major impact in our society because it consists of traveling from one destination to another one destination. It is the biggest leap of the modern world. But how do we get there? The development of transport during the stage of history was slow and could have problems, as people were carrying their bag on their heads or on their goods. In the past, people began to use animals to transport loads and goods, like horse and donkey. In the 19th century, the vehicles were invented. They were made up of 4 wheels without a motor. Boats were also invented, and people began to stop using the animal, vehicle and boats to carry loads to many places faster and easier than before, where improvements have been made up in the construction of light vessels to make a long journey possible across the various seas. Technology has revolutionized our daily life by giving us access to amazing tools and results. Modern technology has paved the way for multifunctional devices which are faster, more portable, and high power. All this revolution of technology have made our life for the better, easier, faster, and more fulfilling. Technology has changed how we can entertain ourselves, interact with each other, and consume all types of information. There are so many new technologies evolving day by day that it seems overwhelming to adapt and keep track of. There is no doubt that the future of technology will continue to revolutionize our life. In conclusion, technology nowadays is important, and how modern technology has changed our life for the better. Because in the future, everything will be based on technology. Technology that is used in today's world will be more advanced and better in the future. The future of the world will be full of robotics and artificial intelligence technology. Thank you for your listening and paying attention.
Thank you, Lika, for your presentation today. Lika, you got 8 minutes for speaking.
Thank you, teacher.
Alright, good morning again, Nika.
Yes, good morning, sir.
Speech is very interesting and significant. You mentioned a lot about advantages of technology and how it changed people's life from the past until now.
Yes.
But you may have known that technology also a part to destroy our earth. What do you think? Should science keep modernizing technology or should they stop?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Loivansi, for your interesting question. The reason that I pick up that technology is mean that you mean that disadvantage of technology, right? For example, transportation. transportation is a part of good part and also have a bad part too. For example, air travel like airplane and helicopter. When you want to go to USA, for example, and then you fly the airplane, and you don't know what happened with the airplane, right? So when you fly, they could have problem on you. Yes. Thank you.
Alright, so can take a rest.